So today I wanted to show you guys a new toy that I got for Dexter. So I thought it would be nice to get him something a little different. He's now 11 months old and showing a lot of interest in cars and running around and playing with his books and not really being interested in his baby toys anymore. So I got him this little car and truck set, and I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see how much he likes it. Okay, so let's open this box. Are you gonna help me open the box? Yeah, you gonna help me open the box? Dexter, come help Mama. I see your book is so wonderful. Thank you, what a lovely book. Help Mommy open this, look. There we go. Wow, look at the truck. Look. Whoa. Oh, is that so cool or what? Yeah. What is that? Is that the horn? Yeah, Pop-Tar's a big truck like this. Let's see, does that just pop out? Oh, I guess it just pops right out. Here you go. Truck. It's a green truck. What do you think? You like your green truck, buddy? Let's see what else we got. Okay, so these are rubber banded together, bud. Hold on. Ooh, look at your Corvette. Wow. It's a fancy car, huh? What do you think? Well, let me get the rest of these out for you. Wow, and you got an Escalade. Wow. Wow. Oh, and a Suburban. And what's this one? And this one's a Silverado. Wow, you got some really cool cars, bud. Wowee. What do you think? Yeah, it's an orange truck. Yeah. Here, do it like this. What do you think? You like the sporty car? Vroom, vroom. There you go, good boy. Oh no, there was an accident. Let's see, they got this little piece in here. Oh, oops. And don't tell me, you're gonna be more interested in these 6 pieces than you are the whole entire thing. See if that will stay. Dexter, watch. Whoops. Get these scissors out of here. Watch. Oh my goodness. Ooh, oh no. Wowee. Look, bud. What do you think? Look at your car. Yeah, look at your car. Wow, good job. Oh my goodness, there was an accident. Look out, Coco. I don't know where all the pieces are. All right, bud. Let's move these boxes out of the way. Throw them out. Look, bud, let's put your trucks on here. We got that truck. This one. Look at that! Wow, what is that? Oh, is that a bin? Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's a crash bin. Woohoo! Okay, here, you hold this for Mama. Mama's gonna put your trucks on here. So we put this truck here, and we'll put this truck here, and we hook it to this truck. Oops. And then we can put this car on here. And look, bud. Whoops, I guess that one's not gonna stay on there. And it goes like this, maybe? Yeah. There we go. Look, bud. Whoops. Your trucks are falling off. Oh no, there's gonna be an accident. Well, I guess there's an accident then. Dexter, look. Look. Wow. Oh my goodness. Here, let's set up the crash bins. Yeah, let's set them up. Come here. Here, let Mama see. Mama see it? Thank you. Watch. Don't knock them over. Okay. We do like this. You ready? Ready? We take the big truck and we go bam, like that. Whoa! What do you think, dude? Yeah, it's fun. Here's your truck. Wow. And it crashed into Dexter. Oh no! There was a turnover. Oh no! And another car. Oh no! What do you think, bud? Yeah, that's your car. Yeah, it's your blue car. Are you having fun, buddy? Here, push the button. Push the button. Oh, wow. What do you think? Oh man, beep beep, out of the way! Out of the way! Ah! Oh no! The car fell off the big rig! Oh no! Oh, good try, bud. Ah. Oh no, big accident. Yeah. That one goes real fast, huh, buddy? It's a fast car. Wow. Yeah, this is the extra trailer hitch for the other one. I don't know where the other one is though. Oh, it's behind me. So this car set comes with the big tractor trailer that hauls the cars. It makes a bunch of sounds. Like it starting up, it driving, and then the honking. Then it comes with 4 different cars. So we have this truck, and the truck actually has a little latch here. You can put it together like this, and you can haul another car on it. Then this one can haul a car. And then you have the big truck here. This is an Escalade, a nice orange Escalade you can put on here. And then we also have this Suburban SUV, yellow one. And then we also have our last car, the Corvette, the blue one that you can put with the green truck to carry it. Hi, bud. And then we have these crash bins. Hi. We have these crash bins. I guess you could probably put some of them. Yeah, you can put a couple of them in here and have the truck carry them too. At least 2 of them. What? Are you kissing me? Oh, are you happy? You thankful that Mama got you a toy? Mwah. Thank you. I'm happy you're happy. All right, let's get the trucks down. Are you having fun? Let's park this one. Let's pull these forward. Dexter, where are you going? Don't you want to play trucks? Unload that one. Well, it looks like this toy was only fun for like 5 minutes. I'm sure he'll probably play with it more. It's just because I think I'm playing with it too much. He's kind of like, okay, I'm not interested now. So I bought these at Walmart, and I will link the Amazon link in the description below. If you guys like this video, leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye-bye. Can you clap? Hey, clap. Clap. Do it. Clap.